boy is cleaning the car.
For a pound.
For a pound, yeah. Yeah. Motivated him today. And this is our vlog for today. Cleaning the car.
And then he can do the tractors.
Yeah, I can do the tractors later.
Nice.
And I'm cleaning the car. A bit cool.
Yeah. And I'm cooking Sunday dinner.
Yeah, and you're cooking Sunday dinner. Yeah. Nice. Well done. And then you can hover inside also, pick up all the things.
It'll be well clean this year. It's got to have a sponge and
Yeah.
make sure it doesn't miss any.
Yeah. Loves to do that. Pull your jacket up because it's. I don't want to get wet.
No.
And then now he's using something. Oh, scrubbing with the car.
Proper cleaning cloth. You can't miss any.
Yeah. Now he's gonna do this, and the boy is gonna clean today the whole car and make him busy today, isn't it? You like doing this job? Yeah. And what else?
I don't like being watched.
You don't like being watched. Okay. How about the next step? What you wanted to do? The tractor.
Yeah.
Okay. So the boy is very, very, what call that?
Energetic.
Energetic today. Oh. Yeah. Even he hasn't got breakfast yet, but he's got full of energy for today.
As soon as he's ready for breakfast.
Yeah. Then we're gonna have some Sunday roast dinner for his Father's Day today. So that's what. Preparing for our holiday. Oh, wow. This is not what you call this? Child labor.
Yes, it is.
This is not child labor, guys. It's just for fun only. I mean, to make him busy. This is not child labor. It's just for him to keep him busy. So smile. Yeah.
I don't like being watched.
Okay.